There is a world famous brand. They contact me, they want me to test their smart ring. I am so honored. And this morning I got their sizing kit. As you can see, there are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 sizes. I have to choose the best size. I think size 11 is the best for me. I have to wear it for like 24 hours. During these 24 hours, I have to wear it like when I sleep, when I wash my hands, when I do the sports. I have to test everything so I can know which size is my best size. Check it out, it's crystal. Wow, so beautiful, guys. So clean and beautiful.